Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark, Blue Screws and Views, back getting another video. And today, I'll be doing a review of some true wireless earbuds from a company called Boltune. But, you know how we do, before we get started, let's get all that business and policy out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Once we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing the giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel, alright? Alright, now that we got all that business and politics out of the way, let's get to the video. Alright, this is your boy Mark, Blue Screws and Views. I'm back with another pair of true wireless earbuds from a company called Boltune. I've reviewed a lot of Boltune's products before, and I'm telling you, they make a good product, a very good product. I've been waiting on these bad boys. These are nice. I think these are going to be close to my next favorite wireless earbuds. Before we get started, let me show you. Let me show you where you can get them from. You can get them from Amazon. Leave a link to the product down in the description box so you can go check them out for yourself. All right, let me give you a brief little rundown of what it said about the earbuds. Wireless earbuds, upgraded Boltune wireless 5.0 in-ear stereo wireless headphones. 40 hours playtime, Bluetooth earbuds, built-in mic, IPX7 waterproof rating. Alright, single and twin mode. So basically you can use one without using the other. So you can like listen to one and you will have one in the case, so you can listen to them separately. So let me go ahead and show you the box. And little stuff on the side, nothing really much on the box. Got their website right here. Simple, you know, good little packaging. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we get inside the box. Let's see. Like I said, I've been using them, so to test them out, I put them back in the box just for sake of the video. Alright, you get your little Boltune's card. Let's see, anything else in the box? Let's see, I might have took out the instructions, but you get an instruction booklet. Also, let's see what we got in here. You get take these out. Hope everybody's having a good and blessed day. Trying to get all this stuff out. You get take that while I'm dropping everything. You get micro USB-C. Okay, you get a nice little micro USB-C charger cable. So they stepped up the game. So you know, a lot of these budget-friendly earbuds still rocking the micro USB. This one has the USB-C, so that's a good touch. That's a good touch. Then you have let me see, 1, 2, 3 sets of ear tips. Take them out of the bag. Come on out the bag. Yeah, you have you have 3 sets. So you got 1, 2, and 3 different sets of ear tips, and plus the ear tips is on there, so that'd be 4. So I'm gonna put those ear tips down here to the side and just get to the earbuds themselves. They come wrapped up. They always have a nice presentation, nice, you know, nice and wrapped up. They nice shipping package. So Boltune is a pretty good company. It makes some pretty good products. So like I say, I've never been disappointed with none of the earphones and headphones that I've gotten from them. Here's the case itself. Has the Boltune's branding on here. Pretty nice touch. Nice little small, like plastic charging case. Nice and simple. As you can see right here, there is your micro USB-C. This is your USB-C charging slot where you go ahead and plug it in. Bam. You're good to go. Let's go ahead and open the bad boys up. It's nice. And they're already pairing. So let's look at the bottom. It's like a little nice, you know, fits in your pocket, you know, so you don't have no problem with them in your pocket, you know, fit in your pocket. Nice little setup. And they kind of like they got the style of the Apple AirPods, but I'm telling you, they sound way better. They sound very good. And then you got the little red lining on the side. Take them out, and it's like a little. You see the little stems right here, the connectors, and it's magnet, so you don't got to worry about them falling out. You open up, they're not going anywhere. They're not going anywhere. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. So as far as packaging, it's pretty good packaging. Like on the case, as you can see, the LEDs right here to let you know how much battery life you have right here. You have 4 LEDs, and I got it down to 3. It's pretty good. Like I say, nice little plastic case. You know, all you need. Like I say, the earbuds look itself, nice look. As you see, they're gonna stick in your ears, so you can get that good seal on there, so you can get that, you know, block out all the noise, the outside noise. Pretty good feature. Little red and little ring around here, and it's not touch sensitive pads. You know, it's actually your physical button to to go ahead and play and pause and skip and reverse track. So that's basically all you're gonna have is for the answer phone calls, pause, and skip and backwards track. So the left, it'll be 2 clicks backwards to rewind to the previous track, and then on the other one, the right one, will be to fast forward. 2 taps to fast forward, 1 tap to pause your music, and then 1 tap to answer your phone call. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. You can see they have like a little, I don't know if you can kind of see that thing blinking in here. It's got a little small blue LED light that's blinking inside and the inside. There you go. You see that blinking right there? Blink one more time for me. Okay, I guess I don't want to blink one more time for me. But they're already paired and connected to my phone. There it is. And this is where the connectors are for they're connected in a case for the charging. And you have right here, I don't know if you can really tell because it's trying to focus on everything else. It'll tell you if this is the left earbud, and on here it has a little branding on here show you that's the right earbud. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let me put them back into the case. As far as comfort, they are very comfortable. Very comfortable. I had no problems with the wearing them for a few hours at a time. Let me check out some other stuff on here. It's like as soon as you open up the case, they connect. As soon as you open up the case, these bad boys connect. Like I said, 1-step pairing, easy to pair. 40 hours playtime. Let me see with the charging case. Let's see, it says 75% volume. You get 40 hours playtime. See, level. I'm trying to read off some of the other specs for you, and you get 6 hours of playtime. Okay, let me reverse it. 40 hours playtime. Compact, lightweight, magnetic charging case, exclusively for you to carry your earbuds around. Bluetooth 5.0, and it says reduced level power consumption, so you can get 6 hours of playtime. So 40 hours with the case and 6 hours just listening to them by themselves. And it has it's been tested with iPhone, what have you. 30 hours with a charge, 34 hours with the charging box. So the charging box is going to give you that other 34 hours. So 6 hours playtime, then 6 hours playtime, and then 34 hours with the case. So the case is giving you the extra charging. So you can go without basically charging this case up with the earbuds for 40 hours. You know what I'm saying? So basically, you can get trying to divide that, do the math in my head, but you can do the math in your head. You know, you can get like several. You can probably charge these bad boys up about four or 5 times without having to charge the case. You know, and my math might be off, so it might be even more. But like I say, they're also IPX7 certified, so I wouldn't worry about getting them wet. You can go out there, you like a heavy sweater, you're working out in them, and you got to worry about them getting damaged. And as far as any lag, I didn't notice any lag. I was using these bad boys, watching YouTube videos, didn't notice any lag whatsoever. And as far as any dropouts, I didn't notice any dropouts in them at all. I was able to get like walk away. I want to say from one end to the house, I was able to walk away at least 30 feet before they dropped out. So I was able to walk like from the doorstep out to the mailbox without any kind of a dropout until I started getting way out in the street. So that's pretty cool. Now let's get to the, let's go after, like I said, the comfort. They feel very good in the ear. So you know, it wasn't no ear fatigue and nothing like that. Far as sound quality is great. They have very good clear sound, and like I said, these are gonna come close to my favorite earbuds. And you gotta look at the price point. For the price point, they are touching that price point of those $300 to $200 earbuds. So for the price point, you're getting a very good product. Because for the sound, I mean, you know, you don't have that banging bass, but you have that clear bass where everything sounds just the way it should be. I mean, you know, if you want to add more bass to it, you can adjust the bass on your device itself, because you can't, you know, they don't have an app or nothing like that to go with them. But how they come straight out of the box, they sound very good. The bass is exactly where it needs to be. The treble is exactly where it needs to be. The mids are exactly where they need to be. They sound crystal clear. So and then for phone calls, they sound very clear for phone calls. I did a couple of test phone calls. Nobody knew I was on earbuds. So they sounded very, very good. You know, so now you know, I do like a lot of bass, extra bass. So you know, they don't have like the bass of like some of these like the real high price speakers where you can adjust the bass or whatever. But you know, for just with a budget friendly, for what you get at a price point, and the bass is exactly where it needs to be. So you know, like for bass heads, you probably want to find someone with some extra bass. But for just everyday, everybody else, you know, the bass is exactly where it needs to be. And I'm a bass head, and I really was like, you know, hey, that's fine where it is. You know what I'm saying? You know, I mean, I could use a little bit more bass, but that's when I go on my device and then adjust the EQ settings on my device. But other than that, everything sounds very, very clear. So this is good sound and value. So for what you're getting 40 hours playtime. You're getting a charging case with micro USB-C. You get a USB-C connector and a nice little case. And you can, like, you know, like I said, easy connect, good looking earbuds. I mean, what more can you ask for? You know, $40 some compared to paying $200, $300, or $150 for some earbuds. You don't have to break the bank with these. These are some awesome earbuds. So if you're looking for something that's crystal clear, good all around sound, you know, sounds good, and you know, they don't have the ambient, you know, mode where you can click and you can hear the outside. So, but that's not a deal breaker. So basically, what I would like to see with these earbuds is with them to come next would have been a wireless charging case. But that's not a deal breaker, because you figure for $40 something, you look at what all you're getting. The prices, I'm gonna see exactly what the price was. $44. Come on, man, $44. You can't complain. This is an awesome buy. So, you know, it's getting ready to be the holiday season. So if you're in the market for some wireless earbuds, I would truly recommend these. For, you know, for the value you're getting something that sounds very good, stylish. They kind of look, like I said, they look like AirPods, but only the black ones. Got this nice little branding right here. So I mean, hey, you can't go wrong with these earbuds. These are some awesome earbuds from a company called Boltune. So if you're in the market, check them out. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box so you can pick these up for yourself, and also you can go in and click on them and check them out and see all the specs for yourself on Amazon. You know, you don't take my word for it. Check it out for yourself. Go, you know, click on the link, check it out, and read what it says. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. $40 some compared to spending $150 to $200 for the earbuds. I'll go with these every time. Every time. Like I said, because I'm at the point right now that I will not buy any expensive earbuds over the price of $100, $150 because of companies like this coming with products like this that sound just as good. It's just missing a few features, like maybe an app or you know, wireless charging. And they got some that's coming out now that's got wireless charging cases. Now I don't know if Boltune has a wireless charging case feature coming out yet, but a lot of the budget-friendly ones around this price range, they're starting to add that. So you know, why spend $200 or $300 for earbuds that sound just as good as the budget-friendly? Now the only reason why I would buy like spend $200 or $300 is to go ahead for a review for you guys on the channel. That's the only reason. But for my personal use, I'm going this way. I'm going this route. because they sound just as good. I'm not missing anything. I can do without an app. So hey, I would choose these type every time, Boltune. So like I said, if you're in the market, check them out. The link is down in the description box below. And like I always say, before we even get there, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Once we get to 2,000 subscriber mark, we'll be doing some giveaways on the products I do right here on the channel. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. Alright? And the message for today is, let me see what the message for today. I had it right on the tip of my tongue. Oh yeah, don't be that person to steal other people's joy. You know what I'm saying? Don't be that person that throws your responsibilities off on everybody else and stealing their joy and their happiness. You know what I'm saying? Don't be that person that when people see you coming, they be like, oh man, people start getting depressed and sad because they see you coming. Don't be that person to steal other people's joy, and when people see you coming, they just, oh man, here goes so and so again. Don't be that person, alright? Don't steal people's joy. That's the message for today. Alright? This has been your boy Mark from Loose Screws and Views. And I appreciate you guys watching the video. And I'm out. Drop the mic. Peace.